good.
Good?
Good.
Real slick.
Yeah. I was trying to hit that one.
It's either wet or it's dry, huh?
Yeah.
Was you? Oh, that's that. This is what I was talking about. This is why you need four-wheelers. Because that right there will be non-existent. That grass. You might have to just shorten this one up. Just shorten the jump.